Alright guys, welcome back. So today is going to be the first of the playlist series of videos I'm going to be making. If you're new to this channel or this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm Jason. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be doing a full DIY camper conversion on my T5 Volkswagen Transporter van. I'm going to do the full conversion. I've never done one before. I've never worked on a camper van before. I've never built cupboards, all this sort of stuff. I've worked on vehicles before, but not in this manner. So I'm going to vlog and document the whole conversion, video by video, step by step if you like, in the aim to potentially help others or show others that it's a thing that can be done, and you don't need to necessarily spend tens of thousands paying these highly skilled, I will say, companies, but who do and offer this service for you. I'm new to this. As mentioned, I've never done one before. I'm going to be fitting the cupboards, I'm going to be cutting and fitting the pop top, I'm going to be doing the airbrush work, I'm going to be doing the maintenance of the vehicle, I'm going to be doing the rock and roll beds, all the generic stuff that's generally done in these vehicles. I'm going to do everything, cutting the windows in. I'm going to do every single job complete start to finish. I'm going to drive to Weybridge. We're going to get the vehicle weighed as it stands, as I've bought it, with the wheels and suspension, a couple of little things already on it. I'm going to get it weighed today, see what it is, and then when the conversion is complete, we're going to get it weighed again so that we can look at both tickets and say, this was before, this was after, this is the difference, this is the amount gained. I know I could look at Volkswagen specs and people recommend what theirs is, but we're actually I'm going to do everything on this channel. I'm going to vlog everything so we can actually see the before and after. So we'll let's get going. As you can see, guys, I've already started. Excuse the mess in the living room, but I've already started to get a bit of a collection together. So I've got the two side glass with the opening windows. I've got the two rear quarter glass for behind those. I've got some extra seals to go on. I've started collecting some insulation and things like that. I've got a roll of leather Bentley stitch leather. So that's going to be used for the seats and the interior. My friends are going to be doing that, so I'm going to be vlogging that. I bought a steering wheel lock. So that's going to be completely airbrushed. I'm going to paint that the colour code of the car and completely airbrush that. I've got a few little things. Started collecting some clips and just some sticky pads and some heat shields and tape. Just a little sort of box of good stuff there if you like. Started getting some cans of adhesive. As you can see, I'm slowly getting a bit of a parts list together. I want the van to start looking more like a camper each day. So less talking, more action. Let's get out there and get this thing weighed. Alright, so this company have kindly said that they will do this for me free of charge. I did offer to pay this, and that would be free of charge. They've accepted that I'm going to vlog it. They're happy to do that. I didn't know these guys before today. I've just got to give them a call this morning. So I'll give them a shower when they're there. And I've got some biscuits and some chocolate fingers and that for them as a thank you. Let's get going. Alright, so they said I can do it. So I'm just going to pull it on now. Just pulling on the bridge now. So these guys obviously do a lot of scrap metal. They must be like a scrap metal merchant.
No, that's the weight of them.
So that's the weight now?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's completely empty. So I've emptied it, so...
That's it. So whenever you do what you've got to do and you come back to weight, when you've converted and whatever, it'll probably weigh obviously different.
Yeah, well that's why I'm doing it, because then I've got a reference of before and after. I could look at the Volkswagen specs, but I actually wanted to do it because they're going to weigh a lot. You know, like a 3-ton vehicle done, so... but I wanted a reference, but... I'll pull it out the way and then I'll come back in. I want to look at a guy's van.
Yeah.
This is the first sort of thing I've ever done in public, kind of vlogging, and it's a weird experience. It takes some getting used to. They just showed me another employee's van. That's quite nice. I won't show the reg or anything just because. Yeah, so that's similar. So I'm going to do a pop top. There's a gel coated pop top the same. I'm putting the glass in mine now. I've currently got it. And yeah, this is really nice. I'll just give it the couple of biscuits now as a thanks. You going back up there, are you? Have them for the lads, just as like a bit of a thank you for. Now go on, please just have them, because the lads. I'm only going to come up there and give them to Andy anyway if you don't. Just as a thank you, just because obviously I've put that on and you guys. I know, but you guys will let me vlog it and that, so just give the lads a few biscuits and that. Right, guys. So I've just come off the bridge now. I've just left the site. As you can see, these guys are B Shakespeare and Co Limited. They're iron and steel merchants, and we are currently in Kings Winford. Actually, I think it says, yeah. So Oak Lane, Kings Winford, West Midlands, DY6 7JS. So if you need anything, if you want to get rid of any scrap, or if you need to contact these guys at all, then feel free. A lot of trucks down here waiting to come in. They're quite a busy firm by the look of it. So really appreciative. The guy was a bit rigid. He didn't really want to take the fingers and the biscuits and stuff, but I kind of made him, so it was a nice little gesture. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Look forward and stick around for the one in the future in many months from now, but the one in the future when I'll come back here with this shot, and it'll be the complete camper finish weight. So yeah, thanks for that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.